So as the program is showing that actually what we are going to do here, we are going to find total number of vowels presented this string we are supplying, that is education, to this procedure, function procedure power. Yes or no? Let's analyze this first so that we can analyze better in our exam. That is called analytical program, like how many variables, etc. So string is education means and that is copied to $. It is passed to function procedure, and here what we are doing there, we are running loop, and loop is going to run from 1 to len. Len means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means it will run 9 times. Yes or no? Yes. Now what we are doing here, we are just extracting only one character from first in first iteration, first location, that is 1, then it becomes 2, then 3, and so on. Means we will be extracting the one character, and that character it will come here with this select case statement to check the condition. If it belongs to any of these characters A, I, O, U, it will increase the value. If it is not, then it will not increase the value. And at last, actually what happens, it supplies the value to vowel, that is called assigning to function, and that we will get the output from here. So in education, how many vowels are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So it will give there 5. Let's run it. Look here, we are getting 5. Yes. Now let's save it first. Let's go for dry run. First let's look at how many variables are there. So first we need the $. So for that we need one column here, insert table. Okay. So $. This is education. Yes. Now next is the loop. Yes or no? It is copied to this function. So loop is 1 to len. Let's put there I equals to 1 to len, then $. And it is what is this? 1 to len. Yes or no? Yes. That's all. Next is $. Let's put it here. Let's copy it. Okay, so this is $. Equals to meet this one. Yes or no? Now let's put the cases here. We also need cases. Case, that is A, E, then I, then O, then U. Yes or no? So we have to put there true, false. Yes. Okay. and at last we have here b equals to b plus 1. Okay, let's get start from here. Education, so I is 1, yes, true, condition being true means it belongs to in that given range. What is the value of m dollar? M dollar is from first, I take one character, that is it gets there, e, yes or no. Condition true, it belongs there, true, for the given values, so it becomes now b equals to 1. Next time I becomes 2, again being true. Next d, it becomes d, begin second position, and the letter is d here, yes or no. Okay, next is here, again it is true or false, it is false, yes, it is false there, so no change here, no change here. Next time it becomes I equals to 3, again true. It is education, edu, so does it belong to this one cases value, a, e, I, o, u, yes, true. So we have now b equals to b plus 1, that's old value is 1, again it becomes 1, so it becomes 2. Next time I is 3, true or false, obviously true. So next is education, edu, education, c, it becomes c, it's true or false, it's false here. Now it is here, no change. Now next time I is 4, again it is 2, means the value belongs to that range 1 to 10 we can say, so I'm writing true. Next is education, c, after c we get a, a belongs here, obviously it is there, so true. And here we get b equals to 2 and plus 1, that is 3. Let's go to next step. Next step is here I equals to 5, true. Education, c, a, t, now it is t, yes or no, a, t, so true or false, obviously it is false, so no change here. I is 6, true. What will the value of this m dollar? That is education, c, a, t, I, yes or no, I, so it is true, it belongs there. And here is b equals to 3 plus 1, 4. I is 7, true. So in 7th position what is there? Education, c, a, t, I, o, so that is o. True or false, obviously true, so what we get here, b equals to all value is 4, so 4 plus 1 we get here 5. Now next I is there, it, again true, c, a, t, I, o, n, to n, it is false, so no changes here. Next time I 9, so it becomes false, yes. So at last here we get output is b equals to 5. 1 2 3, anyone missing here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 characters. I think one we missed here. Education. EDUCATION 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's fine there. So here is a mistake here. Okay, here is a mistake. We wrote repeatedly here 3 3. So it is 4. So it is 5. It is 6. It is 7. 8. It is 9. Okay, false. So we get here, that's all, nothing more we have to do. So this is how we write this. Let's write one program related to function procedure. It's very simple. So let's write one program here. We'll input one string there and we'll convert that into uppercase. Okay.